So, you've got your eye on a new BMW, the ultimate driving machine. But there's one number making you a little nervous, and it's not the one on the window sticker. It's your credit score. What kind of score does BMW Financial Services actually want to see before they hand over the keys? You might hear from some dealers that you need a perfect 800 score for the best rates. But the truth is, it's a little more complicated than that. BMW doesn't officially publish its credit score requirements, but by looking at what real buyers report, we can get a pretty good idea, and knowing this can make a huge difference. Let's get into it. For the absolute best interest rates, what many call Tier 1, you'll generally want a FICO score somewhere north of 740. Some dealers or forum members might even say you need an 800 plus. The reality is, these tiers aren't set in stone and can vary. However, you can still get approved with a score in the lower 700s, and many people report that a score above 670 significantly boosts your chances for good financing terms. But it's not just about that one number. BMW Financial Services also looks at your income, any other car loans you have, and how much cash you're putting down. A bigger down payment can often help make up for a score that's not quite in that top tier. Before you apply, check your real credit score, the exact score lenders use, and review your full credit report for any errors that could be lowering it. Even small mistakes can cost you better rates. The best part? You can access all of this for almost free for 7 days. Get started using the link in the description right now, today. While your credit score is definitely a big piece of the puzzle, it's not the only one. A steady income and a decent down payment can also get you in the driver's seat of a new BMW. Don't let a single number discourage you from applying. There are often special programs for recent college grads and military members that can help. The application is quick, and you'll typically get an answer within 12 to 24 hours, so you won't be left wondering for long.